Welcome to Bible Revelation Success by Folashogade. In this edition, we shall be looking at John 14:12, which states, Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that believeth on me, the works that I do, shall he do also. Greater works than this shall he do, because I go unto my Father's. Please, we want to remind you that there will be a webinar at the end of this quarter where we are going to look deep into entrepreneurship. We did like 8 or 9 videos on it, and people are asking for more. In that webinar, you'll be able to go that deep and you'll be able to ask questions too. Thank you very much. The date will be announced. Now, this part of the video, we are talking about the choice of successor, part 2. We have done one before, and the major part of that verse that we are looking at is the person that believeth on me. The person that believeth on me, like there is a book I read about Steve Jobs. He was planning for the succession of Apple, and he had to commission a management professor to understudy his own trait that makes Apple what it is, so that the trait can be looked for in the successor, and also to teach upcoming executives. This is how big the choice of successor, the people that believe in the founder, in that typify the trait of the founder, what makes the company to be great. This is how important it is. So the person that's supposed to be a successor has to be somebody like an intrapreneur that has the temperament of an entrepreneur, but working in an organization that is shielding the person from the responsibility of the risk that is associated with the business itself. So, what are the traits of an entrepreneur? There are many of them. We just look into few of them that you're supposed to look out for in your successor, so that the company can be transgenerational. The person must be such that it has the record, or she has the record of taking initiatives, that need to come up with initiatives so that the company can go further. They must be somebody that can take reasonable calculated risk and take responsibility for the outcome of such risk that are taken. The person must also be somebody that can stand in the days of adversity, because the company go through seasons. Businesses, economy grow through seasons. They must be able to stand in adversity and be able to sail the company out of it, and maintain productivity and also bottom line in those periods. These are the traits you're supposed to look for in a successor before handing the baton of leadership to such. I believe with this such video, you are able to learn something in the video. Please, if you need further assistance or consultancy, you can check our bio around this video. Please feel free to contact us, and we'll be willing to be of help. Thank you very much.